Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving into the fascinating world of APIs, the invisible forces that power our favorite apps and web services. You may have heard the term API thrown around, but what does it really mean and why should you care? Well, let's unravel that mystery together. So to kick things off, think of an API, or application programming interface, like a restaurant menu. Just as a menu offers a list of options that a diner can order without needing to know how to cook the dish, an API lists a set of tools and commands that developers can use to interact with a software platform. It's all about communication and functionality. But here's a fun fact. APIs are not just for tech giants. Whether you're a front-end developer crafting a beautiful user interface, a mobile developer designing the next big app, or even a back-end developer orchestrating all the behind-the-scenes actions, APIs are your best friends. They facilitate the interaction between different software components, making your work not only easier, but also more efficient. Speaking of efficiency, let's consider a scenario. Imagine you're a travel app developer. Rather than collecting the vast amounts of data on flights, hotels, and car rentals yourself, wouldn't it be easier to tap into existing APIs provided by airlines or hotel chains? This means you can focus on creating a great user experience instead of reinventing the wheel. It's like if a restaurant offered catering. You could serve your guests without worrying about preparing every single dish from scratch. Now, one might wonder if learning APIs is challenging. Well, it can be intimidating, especially when you encounter terms like REST, JSON, or OAuth. But here's the beauty. There are so many resources available, like online tutorials and documentation, that can demystify these topics. Ultimately, it's about practice and experimentation. Like learning to ride a bike. At first, it might seem daunting, but once you find your balance, the world opens up. As an enthusiast in this space, I'm curious about your experiences. Have you tried working with APIs? What's been the most challenging aspect for you? It's interesting to think about how everyone's journey is different, but equally valuable. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a crucial aspect: the importance of security when working with APIs. Just as you wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, securing your API is vital. This involves using techniques like encryption and ensuring that only legitimate users can access your data. It's all about building trust with your users, which is paramount in today's digital age. So, to sum it up, APIs are not just technical jargon, but rather powerful tools that can enhance your development capabilities across platforms. They simplify interactions, bring various components together seamlessly, and allow developers to focus on what they do best, creating amazing software that enhances our daily lives. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration of APIs. I hope you gained some valuable insights and maybe even a bit of inspiration to dive deeper into this intriguing topic. Until next time, keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of what you can create.